Hello and welcome to RBX DeFi's SkipShift Demo. SkipShift is the world's first permissionless peer-to-peer DeFi fiat on and off ramp, meaning that using SkipShift, anybody can on-ramp into crypto from fiat or off-ramp from crypto into fiat in a totally decentralized and KYC-free manner. Phil, can you please give us a rundown of how easy it is for our users to use it?
So this is the SkipShift UI, and we're going to initiate an on-ramp. We're going to buy some cryptocurrency. So we connect wallet, sign, buy crypto, select the payment venue and fiat currency, select the token that you'd like to buy, enter amounts, submit trade, confirm transaction, and the transaction is sent to the SkipShift matching engine, finding the optimal provider for the trade. On the other side of that is the liquidity provider. That is the person you are trading with, the person who has made the market for you to purchase cryptocurrency. So, connect wallet, sign, select trade from the list, accept trade, enter payment venue and information, confirm, and the cryptocurrency is sent directly to an escrow smart contract. The user then has to send the fiat to the provided payment venue address, enter confirmation ID and submit, while the provider verifies that the payment was received by the user on their chosen payment app, confirms payment receipt in SkipShift UI and submits transaction. The crypto is then released from an escrow smart contract using the SkipShift system. On-ramp complete.